wisely for you. There are many monstrous machines that the world has shoveled out over the years, and many of them don't see the global recognition that they deserve. These machines sometimes take years to design and serve very important purposes. With this in mind, I have reviewed the top 7 most powerful man-made machines from around the world. 1. 3 Gorges Dam. Whilst this isn't technically a machine, it makes the list due to the fact this is the strongest structure in the world. Standing at 607 feet tall and almost 1.5 miles long, it's taller than the Washington Monument and longer than Brooklyn Bridge. Its 22,500 megawatt generating capacity is 1.5 times that of the dam that takes second place. 3 Gorges produces an average of 273,790 megawatts of power each day. That's enough to run Orlando. For 2 weeks. 2. The Belaz 75,710. The drum truck the size of a tennis court. This monster weighs almost 400 tons, empty. Fully stocked up, the truck nears 900 tons. It's 32 feet wide and 67 feet long, and 26 feet. That means it's basically the size of a standard tennis court. The power? Well, this monster requires twin 2,300 horsepower diesel generators. Similar to its smaller cousins, notably the 400-ton trucks made by Caterpillar, Bucyrus and Liebherr, the Belaz lives and works in massive open-pit mines. Due to the fact it's made in Belarus, home to one of the most repressive governments on the planet, it's difficult to get anyone to talk about the Belaz, and you can only see one if you travel to Siberia. 3. Sulzer RTA 96 SQA. This is the largest container ship ever built. Sitting at 1,302 feet long, weighing 2,300 tons, and the engine itself is 89 feet long and 44 feet tall. The fuel efficiency isn't fantastic, however, consuming 0.260 pounds/HP/house at maximum economy. It's been estimated that the engine consumes more than 39 barrels per hour and costs an extortionate $34 a minute to run. 4. The Large Hadron Collider. Infamous for is the world's largest and most powerful particle collider and the most complex facility ever built. Taking 10 years to build and hiring over 10,000 scientists and engineers from over 100 countries, as well as hundreds of universities and laboratories. The LHC's computing grid is a world record holder. 5. Komatsu D565 A-dozer. Primarily used by mine operators in the US, Canada and Australia, this machine is the largest bulldozer in production and has been since 1991. It harbors a 1,150 horsepower engine and is able to move 90 cubic yards per pass. 6. Liebherr 9800 mining excavator. The always impressive Liebherr, manufacturer of some colossal cranes, also built one of the largest bucket excavators with their R9800. Another machine typically used for mining, the 9800 weighs in at 1,785,700 pounds and has a bucket capacity of 62 cubic yards. You won't have any trouble digging out a pool for your back garden with this. Sevenbagger 293 bucket wheel excavator. The bagger is not only the largest excavator, but also holds the world record for the largest land vehicle ever constructed. At 310 feet tall and 721 feet long, the 4-year-old German machine can move 100,000 cubic yards of dirt per day with the use of its 20 rotating buckets. It is absolutely monstrous.